lalaban sila.
Come back.
Lalaban sila.
Come back na this. Food now. Everyone, food.
Nakaput ko.
In shop now. Walk in now, boys. Walk in.
Kasi,
D-tanks, where are you? Fight me now. Come out. Everyone, come out. Ready demons. Come out, everyone, please. Come out.
May redis blood.
Engage. We counter. Fight me now. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Damage now. On me. Drop. Come out. We brawl. Come out. Find the healer. Come out.
come out boy, nasa bridge pa rin kayo.
Come out, everyone. Come out. He's looking. Keep healing me. Ready demons. Spread. Demons out. Demons. Nice. Counter. Inside us. Find me. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Damage on me. Ano nangyari sa inyo? Come southeast. Aussie now. We need to Aussie for this. Spread lang ng konti. Come south, guys. Come south.
Go to your corner.
South, guys.
Binobrawl yung likod mo,
Yeah, come south. May brawler tayo. Brawler, help them. Demon.
Nagiging sila.
Lucas now. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Damage on me. Keep dropping.
Di ba tapos to?
Brawl. Keep rolling. Ready demons. Heal me, please. Drop Judy, please. Drop Judy.
Drop ng Judy, please.
Nice. Go to Judy Infinity Hills. Ready demons. Demon now. Everyone demon. We counter. Inside us. North. Find me in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Damage siya. On me. Putang inang yan. Keep rolling, boys. Come north. Keep rolling. They're dying. Yeah. Touch everyone.
Huwag kayo mag-solo chase
Catch everyone.
Pwede na mag-i dito?
Sige lang, yes. You can trap me. Just kill everyone.
Ang lupit ng root bound. Tangina.
Ito talaga, si Idol.
Bayo Southeast. May nakikita akong Bayo sa Southeast. Kill that guy.
Kill this
Di ba may mga pinito mga to?
Yung blood leather, please.
Ting.
Ay, mali, sorry.
In 3, in 2, in 1. Dami siya.
May nahabol pa kami on ping
Piniping
mount up. Everyone mount up.
Uy, ang konti naman nun.
Wala na.
Hindi
Wala.
pa pala tayo dito.
Matama ang ulti.
Kaso wala nag-delete.
May DA, mga gadera yung iba ata.
Hirap talaga mag-fight dito sa mid. Hindi.
Lalamat
Lipo.
Upload tayo sa Facebook eh.
May namatay?